If you're a guitar player and you are tired of always having a cable sticking out of the back of your guitar, then you're going to love this. Now, the folks at Newbie sent this to me in exchange for this video, and I absolutely love it. And let me show you what this does, how it works, and I'll give you a little demo of how well it actually works. So this is a wireless transmitter for an electric guitar. You could probably use other instruments if they have the same kind of plug-in feature, but I only use it for this. In the past, I've had other wireless transmitters where I'd have to plug into the guitar and then there was a little cable and then I'd have to put like the transmitter on my guitar strap, or I'd have to like put it in my back pocket or clip it onto my belt. This eliminates that because all you gotta do is take this, plug it into the guitar, take this, plug it into the amp, and you're good to go. So it's super simple. It comes with this charging dock or charging station. It kind of reminds me if you have like AirPods, this thing holds some juice in it. So even once this is charged up, if you take these and stick them in, you'll see right away that this lights up and now these are charging, even though I don't have this plugged in, which is really cool. You plug this in with a USB to USB-C, and so that's the input. And then this over here is an output so that if you need to, you can run another USB-C cable out of this to, for example, charge your phone. So if you're at a gig and you have this plugged in, you can also be charging your phone out of the outlet line. So the way this works is you pull these out of here. Now, in order to turn these on, you're going to press the button. Keep in mind that this button has other features, so you can press up here. To turn it on, you're gonna wanna press where the on-off button is. If you just press in the middle, you'll be sitting there all day trying to turn it off and on. Another cool feature is that there are, I think, 6 different frequencies. You can see right now that these are both blue with a green dot on the top, so that they're paired. But if you're having feedback or someone else is on the same frequency, you can just tap instead of the power button, the frequency button's right here. So you'll see as I tap that, they both change color. So we got blue, orangish yellow, or pink. And so you can just cycle through. That way you're not getting feedback from other people in the venue or someone else in your band who might be using the same device. Then to turn these off, you just long press the power button and they'll shut down. Now here's the transmitter, here is the receiver. The transmitter will go into the guitar, this will go into the amp. Now the amp that I have with me right now is not a guitar amp, it's just a PA amp that I use usually with a microphone, but it's good enough to test these out and show you how it works. Here's the receiver, that's gonna go right here into the back of my amp. And I'll spin that back around. And then the transmitter goes right here into your guitar. And we're connected. And I love this because I love being at home and being able to practice playing without being stuck having to sit next to the amp where I have my regular guitar cable. This way I can just walk around my house and do whatever I want. So here it is right there. It doesn't take up much room. Just sticks out a little bit, doesn't seem to get in the way at all. One more feature, this thing here has nice little pads on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. It just impressed me like how nice those pads are, so that's pretty cool too. So if you play guitar and you're sick and tired of having that big long cable, this thing is awesome and I definitely recommend it. If you'd like to grab one of these, there is a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. Please hit like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.